Look what the hot body can do.
Look what the whole body can do. This is an easy dance tutorial for a trendy song by Ayra Starr. Hot body, guys. Hot body. Trendy dance tutorial. So it's just something like this. Say, look what my body can do. I think, guys, it's an easy dance tutorial. Just like 3 steps, guys. It's just 5, 6, 7, 8. Say, look. Go 1, 2. Then look again. I think, guys. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Go. Say, look. Go up. This to the right. This to the left. Look again. Go to the front, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Say, look. Go back. Look what your whole body can do. Okay, I think, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. So you to your right. You hit forward. Then go to the side. Go to the side. Hit again. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Say, look. Okay. Look what your whole body can do. Listen, guys. Let's go. 5, 6 from the start. Everybody. 5, 6, 7, 8. Say, look. Look what your whole body can do. Listen, guys. Let's go one more time, guys. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Say, look. Look what your whole body can do. That's it, guys. So, in case you want to add another more steps to the dance challenge now, after you do this, 1, you hit forward, you go 1, you go 2, you hit again. You can do 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 4 times, guys. Just 4 times. So let's go like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Say, look. What your whole body can do. 3, 4. So, guys, once you go the 4 times, once you go that 4 times, you can see add more step by doing right, left. See, guys. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left. Are you following me, guys? Are you following me? Let's go from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Say, look. Look what your whole body can do. I sing, guys. From the start one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Say, look. Look what your whole body can do. Say, look. Sing, guys. Let's go one more time. 5, 6. One more time, guys. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Say, look. What your whole body can do. Look. If you want to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe down below, guys. Subscribe down below. Like this video. Share it to your friends, guys. Let's do one more time. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Say, look. Remember, I carry your leg to this side with your hands. So it's say, look. Opposite direction, guys. Opposite direction. We're going 1, 2, 3. Say, look. You hit. Say, look. You hit. Then you side to the side. You to the side. Then you hit again. 1, 2, 3. Go. Say, look. Once you down, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Follow me, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Say, look. Look what our body can do. Let's go, guys. One more time. One more time, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Say, look. what the whole body can do. Say look what the whole body can do. Let me get some stats. 5, 6, 7, 8. Say look. What the whole body can do. Say look. What the whole body can do. So that's it, guys. That's the dance tutorial. In case you like this dance tutorial, kindly subscribe down below. Like this video, share to your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video.